Welcome to the adjustment instructions of the fill level probe VA214. First, the instructions for installing the probe. Screw the probe into the tank cover. Use a 1.5 mm Allen key to loosen the stud screw with 2 revolutions to the left. Once the probe head has been optimally positioned, attach the M12 cable socket to the connector. Make sure that the probe tip does not touch the tank bottom during the installation. For the adjustment, we will now show you the control elements and displays of the VA214. These are the displays. Here you see the fill level, the display for maximum alignment MX, the switch output selection 1, 2, and 3, the analog output with the 3 modes, as well as the minimum alignment MN display. The sensor buttons for operation, the mode button, with which you can reach the next set point without overwriting already saved settings, the set button, with which you reach the next set point and save the current settings, and the up-down button, with which you can set values and functions. Now we will go through the reset function. This should be done before the first alignment, but also always do a reset before using a new medium. Touch mode and up-down at the same time for approximately 5 seconds until the display 0%, 100%, as well as MN light up. The now blinking value is the last minimal set value. Let go of the buttons at the same time. Touch up-down and the set button at the same time until all of the green LEDs light up. You can now complete the reset by touching the mode button 5 times. This way you can skip the alignment step, which we will explain shortly, and exit the adjustment mode. In order to adjust the fill level, we go now to the adjustment mode. Touch mode and up-down at the same time for approximately 5 seconds until the 0%, 100%, as well as MN light up. Now let go of all the buttons at the same time. The last set minimal value will blink. Now the probe will jump automatically to the minimum alignment. Fill the tank with 5 to 25% of the desired measurement range. Now with up-down, you can set the value which corresponds to the actual fill level. Then confirm the value with set. After 5 seconds, the probe will jump to the next step, the maximum alignment. Now 0% as well as 100% will light up red and MX. The now blinking value is the last maximum set value. Fill the tank now with between 25 and 95% of the desired measurement range. With up-down, you can now set the actual value of the fill level. As soon as you've confirmed the value with the set button, the green display will again stop blinking and the probe will jump after 5 seconds to the next step. To set the switch output, the 0 and 100% displays will light up once again, as well as the NO or NC display. NO stands for normally open, and NC for normally closed contact. You can set NO or NC with the up-down button. With set, you confirm your adjustment. The probe then jumps to the next step, setting the switch point. The now blinking green LED shows the last value set. You can change this with up-down. When the switch output function is set on NO, the output is on high as soon as the switch point is exceeded. With the option NC, the output is on low when the switch point is exceeded. Confirm your new setting with set. The probe jumps automatically to the next step. To set the analog output, now the A0, A4, and V0 light up in addition to the 0 and 100% displays. Select again with the up-down the desired analog output mode. A0 signifies 0 to 20 milliamperes, A4 signifies 4 to 20 milliamperes, and V0, 0 to 10 volts. If you touch Set now, the adjusted value will be saved and the probe switches to measuring mode. Now the probe is operational and displays the current fill level. During the adjustment of the minimal level, the following error messages may occur. MN lights up red, 85 to 95%, and the minimal last set value blinks green. In this case, the set minimal fill level is the same or larger than the set maximal fill level. To solve this problem, correct the minimal value. If this is not possible, you must perform a reset, as described in the beginning of the film. During the adjustment of the maximum alignment, the following error message may appear analog to the previous one. MX lights up red and 5 to 15%, and the last maximal set value blink green. In this case, the maximal value is the same or smaller than the minimal value. To remedy this, adjust the maximal alignment to one value over the minimal value. If this is not possible, you must perform a reset. Optionally, there is lighting available for the inside of the tank of the probe amplifier VA214. To turn on the LEDs, just touch the Set button in measuring mode. The light shuts off automatically after 15 seconds to avoid overheating and can be turned on again after waiting 5 seconds.